What is going on everyone? Welcome in today's video and we will show you how to remove a background in CapCut PC. So you can do it on two ways. You can remove the background of a video, but you can also remove a background of a image. The method is working exactly the same, but for now I will show how to remove a background from your video. So now I will drag a video into my timeline, and what we want to do, we would like to remove the background. So let's say this is our video we would like to use. I will split it over there, delete the rest of the video, and now we got a, let's say, a orange background and a white front ground. So what we are going to do, we click on the video and we want to remove the orange background. What you can do is click on cut out and then click on chroma key. After that you can click color picker and aim it at the orange background. Then click on it. Now you have selected the orange background. So you want to remove this color. Now what you can do is you simply can click on the arrows up and down. If you click on up, it will remove more of the orange background. As you can see, I just added 1 to this count. And now if I open the big screen, you will see around the white image is still orange color visible. What you can do to solve that is click on escape, go back to this section, and then click to add another strength point in the count. Now, if you click again on the white screen, you will see there is less orange background, less orange color around that white object. So you can play with that, and the more you click, the more orange will be deleted, but also the quality of the image which is left will be less good, and there will also disappear some parts of that image. So be aware of that, but play around with it and you can remove your background from your video in CapCut PC easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.